Sometimes when we wake up in the morning, we all might have felt, do I need to get up, do warm up, and start workout for the day? And this thought might lead you to skip your workout for the day. In order to prevent that, I have given 5 simple exercises to tackle your lazy day, and you can do your workout in the bed itself. By doing this, you aren't going to skip your workout session, and you can start your day briskly as well. This is Gopi, and this is my channel Get Fit with Gopi. Let's get started. The first exercise which we are going to see is called heel kicks. This exercise will help you to strengthen your hamstring and glute muscles and give you an overall good look for your legs. The starting position of this exercise is to hang down one leg on the sides of your bed and keep the rest of the body in your bed for support. Bring your knee near your chest and kick backwards with your heel. Make sure you keep your back straight while kicking and don't kick too fast or roughly. Gently kick your heel towards the sky. Every time you finish kicking, bring your leg back to your chest and then kick with your heels towards the sky. How much height you are lifting your leg, your hamstring and glutes will be strengthened based on that. Also, make sure you are keeping your ankles straight and not turning sideways. It is important that you have to keep your ankles straight, then only you can able to feel your glutes. The next exercise which we are going to see is called in and outs. This will help you to develop and strengthen both your quadricep and hamstring muscles, that is your front and back of your thighs. The starting position of this exercise is to stand outside of the bed. Try to go into the bed with your knees one by one. Once you get in, you can come out to starting position by keeping your legs outside one by one. Try to cover more distance when you reach in and reach out of the bed, and you will feel the tension on your quadriceps and hamstring muscles. You can also increase the intensity of this exercise by increasing the speed. The next exercise which we are going to see is called quad kneel downs. This exercise will help you to strengthen the quadricep muscle group. You can start this exercise either by standing normally or from half squat position. From that position, place your knees one by one on the bed and get up immediately. You can increase the intensity of the exercise by speeding it up. Make sure you are doing 20 repetitions per set on this exercise. The next exercise which we are going to see is called prayer glute bridges. This will help you to get strong glute muscles and a good shape, as glute muscles are very important when you do squatting or sitting. The starting position of this exercise is to lie down normally and keep your feet touching together. When you are keeping your feet together, your legs will be opened automatically. Try to lift your hip upwards by using your glutes, and while lifting up, make sure you are keeping your feet together always. By doing glute bridges in this posture, you can able to feel your sides of the glutes are worked up. Keep your feet together till the end of this exercise, and also while lifting, don't lift your hips too much. If you are lifting your hip parallel to your body, that is fine. Make sure you are squeezing your glutes in the top position. You can do 20 repetitions per set on this exercise. The last exercise which we are going to see is called side to side knees. This exercise will help you to tone your external obliques, which is also called as love handles, the sides of your abdomen. Start this exercise by lying down normally and by keeping your knees and feet together. You can keep your hands on the sides of your body, or you can hold the sides of your bed. By keeping your knees together, try to touch on the side of the bed. Once you touched it, come back to the starting position and do the same on the alternate side. Make sure you are not completely turning your whole body while touching on the side. If you can't able to touch the side completely, you can just reach as much as you can. This exercise will also improve your hip mobility, and by doing this frequently, you can able to touch your knees on the sides in no time. You can able to feel your obliques working when you are touching the side and coming back. Once you've done these exercises, if you feel stiffness or tightness in your muscles, gently massage your legs, and if needed, apply ice, and that will relieve your soreness. Beginners can do 20 repetitions for each exercise and can do up to 3 sets. If you are an intermediate level, you can do up to 4 sets, and if you are an advanced level, you can do up to 7 sets. Please try it and let us know your feedback.